Repairing and sealing your driveway is a great way to extend the life of your asphalt while boosting the curb appeal of your home. Here's a quick overview. These are the materials you'll need to get started. Before you start, make sure you've chosen a warm day with no rain or temperatures below 10 degrees expected for 24 hours after you finish. Start by prepping the driveway. Edge any loose grass and clean all dirt, dust, and debris. Rinse the driveway with the stiffest stream of water possible, ideally using a pressure washer. Scrub any stains with a stiff wire brush and asphalt cleaner so they don't bleed through the new coat. Next, repair any cracks or potholes. For cracks less than a ½ inch wide, use asphalt driveway crack filler. Fill the crack to the level of the driveway and let it cure overnight. For larger cracks, use pothole filler to the level of the driveway. Pack down and refill to level. This will minimize shrinkage before you top coat with the sealer. Deeper holes need more time to cure, so be sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions. 2 weeks is usually fine. Once repairs have fully cured, you're ready to seal. Ensure the sealer is well mixed using a wooden paddle or drill-mounted mixer. Starting from the highest part of your driveway, apply a thin coat of driveway sealer. Use a squeegee so the pores of the blacktop are properly filled. Pull the squeegee while applying steady downward pressure for a thinner coat, as a thick coat won't cure properly and may track. Squeegee back and forth across your driveway, making sure to slightly overlap each pass. You should wait 24 hours for the coating to cure before driving on it. But on a nice day, you can walk on it after 4 hours. The Home Depot has everything you need to get started. Visit us today.